Hey, it's Dr. John St. John with Chagrin Natural Health Clinic. How are you today? I want to talk to you about disc problems. So let me show you what a disc bulge looks like on a spine. So here's the spine, and you can see this little red protuberance here. These are the vertebral bodies, the bones, the vertebra, and then in between each of the vertebral bodies you have a disc. And when the disc gets irritated or it protrudes, we call that a disc bulge. And that can irritate the surrounding muscles, nerves, which feeds the lower portion of the body, and it can cause pain, tingling down the body, specifically down the leg into the feet. It can cause weakness. It can cause you to lean to the opposite side and not be able to bend up, right? So usually the disc bulge is on the side that someone is leaning away from. So what is the solution? Well, chiropractic manipulations are very, very beneficial for these types of problems. What we do is we actually open up the space through specific chiropractic treatment, and it actually sucks that disc back in. And it's not unusual for someone to feel immediate relief, be able to stand up straight right after an adjustment, have less tingling or no tingling down the leg, and getting on someone a short series of treatments to handle a disc issue like this can be very, very beneficial. So if you're interested in getting more information about this, or you know someone that has back pain, it very well could be a disc issue, and it does not usually require surgery. It often requires chiropractic treatment. So this is our bread and butter. We've been doing it for over 20 years at Chagrin Natural Health Clinic. So if you have a chiropractic possibly related issue, please give us a call. We'd love to help you. We have a great special going on in December. Take us up on it.